Alright, y'all, I didn't push the button for my macaroni and cheese to let you guys know how I fix it, but I'll tell you what I put in it. I'm about to take it out the oven. I don't know how I did that, but anyway. Okay, I'm taking it out the oven. This is what we got. I like to put mine in the oven twice. Real quick, I put my heavy cream, salt, pepper, we put some butter, eggs, and this is the cheese I use. Real quick, you don't have to use all that other type of cheese. You don't have to use Kraft. You don't have to do nothing. If you can cook, anything is possible. And I use this too, Italian blend. All right, I'm moving on. Back to my video. Okay, let me stir it. See, still juicy, creamy. All right, back to my video. Okay, it's out of the oven. Now, go ahead, yes, and this up. Add your parsley flakes and your paprika. Put it back. Yeah. Now we're gonna get back to our chicken. Add a little bit more.